Achilles Design is a design and engineering company, and we design and develop products and services from the initial idea to go to the market. So what does that mean? That we deliver all the services in between that you have. That's like designing, concepting, user research, testing, validation, brand development. These are the things we do. So we are a kind of one-stop shop, or everything under one roof you need to get your ideas to the market.
This is a design for the world's first 3D printed safety certified glasses. They are smart glasses. They have a display and a powerful zoom lens and a laser pointer. One of the applications for this glass is in surgery applications, where other people can follow along with the surgical operation. They can see through the cameras that are involved in the eyewear here. Also for remote applications where maybe a service technician is at your home and he has a problem, and he can actually call up an expert, and the expert can then walk them through the procedure or help them fix or diagnose the problem.
Solidworks is a part of our daily job, a very important part. I still come from the times when CAD software didn't exist, so I can make a very good comparison between drawing by hand and designing in 3D with a CAD system. And yeah, we couldn't without it, of course. It's part of the job.
I think that that Solidworks is quite easy to learn. I started using it about almost 20 years ago now, but I came from another software packet, and I think that the learning curve was very gentle. It was very nice to get into Solidworks, and I'm glad that I made the transition.
So often customers come to us with very particular questions, such as a device should withstand being driven over. The device cannot heat up over 40 degrees C, which we then translate into more straightforward design parameters. And then we can easily analyze that using the simulation software. It's quite easy to set up. You have very fast answer to your questions. And with the answer, we can then steer the design. We can also very easily communicate the results to our customers, which then in turn gives them a bit of confirmation. Yes, okay, this is the proper direction to go.
Right now I'm looking at a frame that we're working on for a client to make sure that our surfacing is all smooth and we don't have any strange inconsistencies. I pretty much like using all of the different SolidWorks solutions, especially the surfacing. The surfacing has come around quite a lot in the past few years, and I can really get the surfaces I want straight out of SolidWorks. The biggest advantage for SolidWorks for me and also for the rest of our company is that we can do everything in one packet. So from the early concepts through to final production drawings, we do the all in one packet rather than in some other software packets you can do the engineering really well at the end, but then the forming in the front is maybe not so smooth and easy.
So over the last few years we've grown significantly. On top of that we had COVID recently, which led people to work remotely. And because we're growing, we are doing bigger projects. Bigger projects means more people working on the same project at the same time, which then necessitates better control of the data. And to have better control of the data, we reached out to Design Solutions and implemented the PDM system. The PDM system allows us to work faster remotely, have tighter control of the data, and actually implement a proper revision control of all the data. So Design Solutions helped us implementing the PDM system, so we work together with them in selecting the correct solution for our problem, and then they came and basically implemented a workflow that both allows the creativity, because we're a design office, there's a lot of creativity going on, and the workflow shouldn't impede the creative process. So we have a workflow that on one hand allows creative freedom, but on the other hand also has the tight control we need for our medical projects.